Medical devices is considered as one of India's sunrise sectors. India is the world's fastest emerging medical device market, with the sector growing steadily at a CAGR of 15% over the last 3 years. Currently estimated at $11 billion in revenue, it is expected to cross the 30 billion mark by 2050. Export of medical devices from India stood at $3.39 billion at the end of financial year 2022-2023. India manufactures 6,000 unique medical devices, with 10 major segments being imaging devices, cancer care, critical care, body implants, consumables, disposables, surgical instruments, hospital equipment, in vitro diagnostic devices, assistive devices. The PLI scheme for medical devices aims to boost domestic manufacturing and attract investments in the sector to reduce dependency on imports. It symbolizes a strategic move towards enhancing technical capabilities, aligning with the government's vision for a self-reliant healthcare ecosystem. Today's event underscores the government's commitment to fostering indigenous production and support innovation in the medical devices sector. The 4 major target segments for manufacturing under the PLI scheme are cancer care or radiotherapy medical devices, radiology, imaging and nuclear imaging devices, anesthetics, cardiorespiratory and renal care medical devices, implants including implantable electronic devices. Highlights of PLI scheme. The PLI scheme for medical devices is an important initiative for realizing the vision of healthy and developed India of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. The Greenfield projects under the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for Medical Devices are Allied Medical Limited has its Greenfield project at Karoli, Alwar, Rajasthan for manufacturing of anesthesia products including unit gas scavengers, kits, masks, vaporizers, defibrillators, infusion pumps, intensive care ventilators, high-flow oxygen devices, etc. Envision Scientific Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Sachin, Surat, Gujarat for manufacturing of stents and PTCA balloon catheter. Involution Healthcare Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Jaipur, Rajasthan and Vizag, Andhra Pradesh for manufacturing of stents. Magic Medical Solutions Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Hyderabad, Telangana for manufacturing of cardiovascular and microcatheter tubing, neurovascular respectively. Microtech New Technologies Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Baddi, Solan, Himachal Pradesh for manufacturing of oxygen concentrators. Nipro India Corporation Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Satara, Maharashtra for manufacturing of dialyzer. Panacea Medical Technologies Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Kolar, Karnataka for manufacturing of linear accelerator, LINAC and rotational cobalt machine respectively. Philips Global Business Services LLP has its Greenfield project at Taluka, Khed, Pune, Maharashtra for manufacturing of MRI coils. Polymedicure Limited has its Greenfield project at Faridabad, Haryana for manufacturing of dialyzer, dialysis machine, peritoneal dialysis kit, fistula, bloodline and transducer protector. Sahajanand Medical Technologies Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Surat, Gujarat and Sangareddy, Telangana for manufacturing of stents and PTCA balloon catheter. Siemens Healthcare Private Limited has its Greenfield project at Hosur Road, Bengaluru for manufacturing of CT scan and MRI. Trivitron Healthcare Private Limited has its Greenfield projects at Raigad, Maharashtra and Vizag, Andhra Pradesh for manufacturing of X-ray equipment, C-arm, mammography and ultrasonography. Wipro GE Healthcare Private Limited has its Greenfield Project at Bengaluru, Karnataka for manufacturing of CT scan, cath lab and ultrasonography. We now seek the virtual inauguration of Greenfield Project's plants under the Production-Linked Incentive Scheme for Medical Devices by the Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, Honorable Minister for Chemicals and Fertilizers and Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and Shri Bhagwant Khuba, Honorable Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers and New and Renewable Energy, Government of India.